just like that. Grab another one, toss it in the bag. A Christmas miracle.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
3.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Welcome back to part 2 of our 2019 Holiday Magic Special. So if you're ready to get into the magic, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! Okay, I have a cool trick to show you with this peppermint.
This is a peppermint.
And this spoon. So check it out.
It's really awesome.
I'm gonna take the spoon and just watch. You'll see it change on the count of 3, okay? Watch. 1, 2, 3.
That is awesome. Is it real candy?
Yeah, check it out.
Seriously?
Yeah.
How did that change? Is it really candy? Oh my god. That's delicious.
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here is the secret behind magically changing the spoon into a peppermint spoon. The secret is really simple, and this is a trick that I invented for this video, so you can trust in knowing you will not find it anywhere else. All you're gonna do is take a normal spoon like this and rubber band it together with one of these. This is a candy cane spoon. You can use these to stir hot chocolate or coffee and give it a peppermint taste, and they come in a pack of 6. You're also going to need a little peppermint candy, and this is all for misdirection. So when they are thinking that the candy is going to change or disappear, you're actually going to change the spoon. So you're gonna rubber band the 2 ends of the spoons together, the peppermint spoon and the regular spoon, so that way you can conceal the peppermint spoon behind your hand while you hold the normal spoon like this. You're gonna call attention to the peppermint in your hand, say, watch, it's gonna change on the count of 3. 1, 2, and on the 3rd time you're gonna flip this over when you tap. So it's a great, really magical moment that catches people by surprise because they're totally expecting something to happen with the peppermint in your hand, not the spoon. So it's a real wow moment whenever the spoon changes into the same kind of color pattern as the mint instead of the mint changing as they were expecting. And the mint provides great misdirection so that they're not focused on the spoon. It's really about the timing and just practicing that flip. You're just gonna flip it around in your fingers so your hand is gonna conceal each time. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna give away some packs of peppermint spoons to lucky comments in the comments section down below.
I have a wish
Tell me about it yet? Sounds like you might be talking for a while. You gotta tell me what all you want.
Keeps going.
I don't want to get it all down the chimney. We have to break it up into a couple loads.
Okay, to set this up yourself, you're gonna go to a store like Kinko's or FedEx. You're gonna print out a big long roll of paper. All right, so we got our giant roll of paper. Your next step is to just make a huge wish list. Write down everything you can think of. We even kind of ran out of things and just started writing random stuff, just to fill the space on the paper. Then your next step is to hand it off to Santa and wait for the prank to unfold. Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you with a couple of candy canes.
I love candy canes.
Here, take this one.
Okay.
Alright, so hold it like this, like a little hook. I'm going to hook this one onto yours just like that. Now, if we like hold it like this, there's no way that they could go through each other, right? Pretty solid.
Yeah.
Alright, so just hold it tight like that,
Okay.
so there's no way they could go through. So watch, if I just grab it like this and just pull, 3, 2, 1, and just like that, it magically comes.
How did you do that? This isn't broken. Are you kidding me?
Okay, all you need to pull this off are a couple of candy canes. Nothing special about these. You just have to make sure that they're the individually wrapped candy canes that have the little plastic wrapped around each one of the candy canes. So here's the only real prep for the trick. Since the plastic is on there, you can break the candy cane while it's still inside the pack, and you just want to do that right here on the curve. So now that you have the hook of the candy cane broken, it'll be kind of floppy like this. So when you have the 2 of them linked like this, you're obviously going to give them the one that is not broken, and you can show that they're solid by using the unbroken bottom part apart like this to apply pressure, and then move into position just like this with your candy cane linked on theirs. Now all you have to do is pull, and then because of the prep you did beforehand, it will slide over and then pop back into place. And it looks like the candy cane's just magically unlinked. Again, this is a trick that I invented for this video. Try that at home and fool your friends and family. Okay, here's a really cool Christmas trick you can do with a little ornament off the tree. So I have a little plastic chamber here. It's a little box. It has a lid, and inside there's a little ornament, little mini ornament, just like that. You can hand the box out for inspection. The ornament goes back in the box just like this, and you also have a silk scarf. So you have the little ornament trapped inside the box here. Now watch, you take the little silk scarf, drape it over, and then say watch. On the count of 3, you can see this happen. 1, 2, 3. And it magically disappears from inside the box. You can hand this out for examination. They can examine the silk scarf as well. It's completely vanished, a Christmas miracle that anyone can do. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. Okay, here's the secret to the tiny disappearing ornament trick. This is called the Disintegration Chamber. So it comes with everything you need. This little clear plastic box and the little yellow ball. So the whole secret to this is when the ball is in the box and they hand you the lid of the box back, you're just gonna flip this over and put the lid on the bottom of the box so that the bottom of it is open. So now when you place the scarf on top of your hand, what's happening underneath is your fingers are going to spread apart and let the ball fall out from inside the box. You're gonna catch the ball in your other hand and conceal it as you pull the scarf off and make it look like it just magically vanished from inside the closed box. You can then pull the lid off and hand both of these out for examination and hand them the scarf to inspect as well. Pick this up today at EvanEraTV.com. It comes with everything you need to perform the trick.
Hey Dad, I got you an early Christmas present.
Oh really?
Yeah.
For me?
Yes.
You're kidding.
Here you go.
What is it?
Just over there.
Alright. Okay, here's everything you need to set this up at home. You're just gonna need a little gift box like this and a party popper. It's just a little confetti launcher that you use at parties and celebrations. When you pull the string, out comes the confetti. And most stores have these available right now for New Year's, so you can find them really easily. The other things you're gonna need to set this up are some scissors and some tape. Start out by turning the box upside down. You're gonna take your scissors and make a hole in the box. You then wanna take the confetti popper and just feed it right down through the hole. Now once you have it in place in the box, all you're gonna do is take a piece of tape. Once you've got it taped inside, your next step is to tape the string inside the top of the lid. Tape it in place just like that. Once you have the string taped in place, just put the lid back on, put a bow on top, place it under the tree, and wait for somebody to open their gift. When they lift the lid, confetti will pop out of the bottom and give them a harmless holiday surprise. Try that at home this Christmas on your friends and family. Okay, Jay, I got you a present.
Did
Open
you?
it up and just pull the lid off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And there's another box. Is this gonna keep going? This is incredible. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh, this is awesome. This is incredible. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas to me.
Okay, here's what you're gonna need to set this up. You're going to need some gift boxes that are graduating in size. So you want gift boxes that will fit inside one another, and you're also going to need a bunch of candy. And in addition to that, you'll also need some tape. You wanna make sure the gift boxes are the stiffer cardboard material, not the really flimsy ones. And then you're just gonna split them right at the seam, right at the corner. And you're gonna do the same thing on all 4 corners. So now with all 4 corners split, you can see it kind of unfolds into a T shape. Now we're gonna do the same thing with these smaller boxes that go inside. So split the corners on the medium one and the small one. Your next step is going to be to arrange your candy on the flaps of each one of the boxes and tape them in place. You wanna be sure to do this on the inside of the flaps. And now, once you have the candy attached with the tape, the walls of the box will fold up just like this. And then you can put the lid on just like this. Now, once you have the last set of candy walls built, you're just gonna bring them up and put the top on. And then once you have it all wrapped up and the lid on, it looks just like a normal present and it's totally contained inside the box. So you can just sit it under the tree and wait for somebody to open it. Okay, Ava, I've got a cool trick to show you with 2 little bunnies. 2 little sponge bunnies. So you can check them out. They're normal little sponge bunnies. I'm gonna take one of the bunnies. It's gonna go right here in this hand. I'm gonna take the other bunny right here in this hand, okay? So 1 bunny in the left hand, 1 bunny in the right hand, right? Yep. So I'm gonna reach in my pocket, put this bunny in my pocket. So we've got one bunny here and one bunny in my pocket, right?
Yes.
Now watch, if we just do a little magic, we now get both bunnies to appear in my hand just like that. It was in my pocket, but watch, if we take both of them, we take 1 and 2, and they both go in my hand like this. You know how the Easter Bunny delivers all those eggs in one day?
No.
It's not just him, he has help. Watch. It's super easy to do. This is so easy that you can do it first time I show you. Okay, here is everything you need to do this trick yourself. The kit comes with everything you need. It comes with 5 little sponge bunnies and 2 grown adult bunnies. And this all comes down to sleight of hand. It comes with instructions on how to do the handling properly, but I'll give you a brief rundown right now. When it appears like you put the first rabbit into this hand, you actually keep it in this hand. So there's nothing in this hand to start when you put it in the pocket. You're actually gonna start the trick with the little rabbits in your pocket. So when the empty hand goes in the pocket, you're actually grabbing all of these and palming them in your left hand. And at the same time, you have both the rabbits loaded into the right hand. Again, full instructions are available at EvanEraTV.com when you purchase the trick. Head over to the link in the description and pick one up today. Hey, Ava, you wanna see a trick? I have a little plastic box. Check it out. Okay, so you take the little plastic box, just hold it like that, and then we have the little ball, has 2 pieces of string running right through the middle of it, okay? So I'm gonna take the little ball and it's gonna go inside the box just like this, and we're gonna close it up so that there's no way it could possibly get out, right? All right, so you hold the little box just there. All right, now I'm gonna take 2 of the strings and I'm gonna tie them in a knot, okay? Just like that. All right, now I'm gonna grab these 2 strings. There's no possible way that they could come through the ball and the case, right? Yeah. Watch, 1, 2, 3. And they magically pop right through the case in the ball. You can check that out, open it up, inspect the ball, inspect the ropes, normal strings, magic.
Ouch.
You wanna know? Can you keep a secret? So can I. Okay, the secret to this one is really, really simple, so easy to do. And we have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. Comes with everything you need to perform the trick. The thing I really love about this is the magic happens like in the spectator's hands. And once you have it set up, it's completely self-working. So you just take the little red ball, put it in the case, you take one of the strands, you tie them together like this, and then all you have to do is pull, and the strings will pop right through the case and through the ball, leaving the ball still trapped inside the case. Now the setup is super easy. All you're gonna do is take one of the strings, double it over, and thread it through the ball. Then take the other one, also doubled over, and pull it so that they're looped into each other and hidden in the middle of that little ball. And that is the entire prep for the trick. Now all you have to do, take the little case, put the ball inside, close it up, say, look, there's no way that can get out of there, completely trapped inside, right? You're gonna have them hold the little case, and then all you have to do is take a string on either side, tie them in a knot on top, just like this, one little loop, and then pull, and the strings will automatically pop out just like that through the little ball and the plastic chamber. Pick one up at EvanEraTV.com and add it to your magic kit. The last trick on our list uses Prisma Lights that you saw in part 1 of our Christmas magic special, where you can take a Christmas light on the tree and magically pull it off the tree just like this. You can take the light and make it multiply. You can do so many different tricks with these. You can even take the light and pass it through something. The possibilities are really endless. And you can do really cool tricks with them like this. Watch, just reach up in the air, grab a light, and watch, toss it in the bag, grab another one, toss it in the bag, grab another, and another, and another, and you can just fill the entire bag with these magic lights. Watch. These are available now at EvanEraTV.com. We have kids and adult sizes available. And the thing that makes these different than every other light up thumb tip on the market, there's a lot of these out there, is you can actually change the batteries in these. It's a common watch battery. If you remove this little insert, there's a watch battery right there that you can easily replace. All the other ones on the market, once the battery runs out, they're completely useless. You can no longer replace the battery and they won't light up anymore. These are the only ones that have a replaceable battery, so you can replace the battery and use them forever. All right guys, guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with somebody you think might like it as well. And head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. You can order last minute Christmas gifts. We have a bunch of new merch. The multiplying rabbits that you saw in this video just launched, along with the oddball trick and the magic light up thumb. We have a ton of new merch on EvanEraTV.com, and be sure to keep checking back because there's new releases coming out over the next couple weeks. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of the magic in the video, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be going through the comments, reading every single comment, and I'll be choosing 10 winners from the comment section, and we will mail some magic to you so you can perform these fun tricks at home. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to thumbs up on the video and leave your comments down below. If you won that giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. There is still time to enter our ultimate fan giveaway. I'm giving away every single item on EvanEraTV.com to one lucky fan. All you have to do to enter to win is place an order on EvanEraTV.com, any size order, in the month of December, and you're automatically entered to win. I'll be choosing one lucky winner from the orders on EvanEraTV.com on January 1st and announcing the winner here. I'm also doing another ultimate fan pack giveaway on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at the link in the description and leave a comment on my most recent post. I'll be choosing one winner from Instagram as well. Thanks for watching this episode of How To Magic. Hope you're having an awesome holiday with your family, and I hope you can use some of these fun tricks and pranks to bring some holiday joy into the occasion. Check out our playlist of all our other How To Magic videos and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Merry Christmas.